Friendly assault drone inbound.
First aid. On.
Hey, what up guys, Jaivs here, and today I got a tutorial for a zoom in blur effect after your quad feed or kill feed, whatever you want to do with it. It's pretty nice, as you saw in the preview. That's what we'll be making. So to get started, just make a new composition. These are my settings, just copy them if you want. Go to project, import your clip, disable the audio, and go to scale for your clip, hit 101 so you can disable the black bars if you have them. Effects, Twixtor, Pro, get it. If you guys want my Twixtor Pro settings, just leave a comment and I'll make one in the near future. 59.94 because that's what my clip is. Go to where your clip starts. So I'm going to start it at 28 and then hit the speed and then hit U on your clip. Go frame forward so you can get the so you can start it at 2 for your speed. Go to 928, so 928. Oh no, I said 928. There we go, and hit that and go frame forward, and then you can just hit this to 100. Alright, now what you want to do is go back to the start of your clip right here, and then layer, new, camera, make sure it's 50 millimeters because that's really nice. Layer, new, null object, and then what you want to do is right click on source name, columns, parent. If you don't have that, parent your null object to your camera, and parent your feed or your clip to your null object, and you can just make that go away by doing that again. Alright, so now what we want to do is start right here and hit S for this to zoom in, S, and then go about 15 frames forward, so Control Shift right click, and then Control Shift right click, and then hit this back arrow 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then set this to like 115. That looks nice. And then go to the end right here, keyframe that by hitting this little diamond, and then go a frame forward again, and then hit this to 0. Now go back again to the beginning of your zooming in, make a new adjustment layer, name this blur, and go find your fast blur preset and drag it on top of your blur, repeat edge pixels, keyframe that, go to where it's 115 or just right click that, change this to like 12 because that's what I like. Go to where it ends, hit U for on the blur layer, and hit the diamond so you can hit another keyframe. Set this to 0. What's wrong? Alright, and then go back to the beginning. Now this is where you want to get the wiggle or your camera shake. What you want to do is hit your camera layer and hit the open bracket, or you can split the layer, whichever one you want to do, and then go to where it ends, so right here, and Control Shift D or just split layer, and then delete the top layer. Now what you want to do on this is hit P for position, alt click this and make it wiggle, and your value, so 3, 6 is what I'm going to work with because that looks organic and doesn't seem like it's much. So what we got here is, let's close these layers. It looks like this, comes in, shoots, it starts zooming in, and this thing just starts to screen shake, so it looks nice, and then it just ends out. I'll do a preview render really quickly, so I'm just gonna pause it. Alright guys, I'm done preview rendering this, and here you go. This might be a little choppy and laggy, but bear with me. If you can tell what's going on, it's fine. 2, 3, and the last kill. Then zooms in, whatever. You can mess around with these settings and make it look better for your personal preference. And you can go make it faster, like 10 frames instead of 15. Make the wiggle whatever size, color you want. But these are my settings. If you guys want to see how you like blur in, like transition this to that a clip goes blurred in for your next clip, just leave a comment. I'll do that, and leave a rating if you guys like this. I'll be doing some more tutorials in the future, but for now, this is the zoom and blur effect, the one that Agony uses. So here you guys go, and thanks.